Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Hilux. So I'm going to do the adjust for the handbrake cable. You can see in the handbrake lever too high. We have 18 notch, maybe more than 10 notch. So we're going to adjust the handbrake cable, but we have to first off this cover and the gear lever knobs to adjust the handbrake cable. So you have to first remove this gear lever knobs. Okay, turn it. The other one. So then after, I had to lift up the cable and take it out this part, and you can lift in here like this. So then after, lift it down. So after you can see the handbrake cable. This is the handbrake cable, and this is the nut. We can adjust it. So we have to turn in the clockwise this nut. So you can get the 10mm spanner. Then after, you can turn the thing. It's this little bit loose. Okay, can turn 5 turn. Then after, you can check the handbrake lever up and down. Maybe 7 notch is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Still more going. Can still adjust. 2, 3, 4, 5. Can again check it. Can more adjust. Okay, now enough. Can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough. All good. So after that, you can see in some the adjuster in the back, the rear right hand side. You can see the wheel in the back wheel. So you can the chassis right hand side. You can see in this part. This side also a little bit excessive play. We can adjust in here also the handbrake cable. So you can get in 10mm nut. You can lose that one. Okay, a couple of threads back, so you can see in little excessive play. Then we have to turn this part. Now a little bit tension it. Then after, tie this bolt back. Hold this part. Okay, there's another adjustment in the back handbrake cable. This one gone to the back side, the wheel, the brake liners. So then after we have to put back for the cover. We adjust the handbrake all good. So we have no any clips, some nuts. So I have to put back like this with the handbrake up. Okay. Put back this thing back together. Okay, so this is the end of the video. We see you in the next one.